Good morning. So this is Conan. Right now, probably the world's most famous dog. I don't think I have to use the word probably. Our dog was hurt. Actually, the canine was hurt, went into the tunnel, but we lost nobody. Conan came over from the Middle East, just arrived with some of the great people from the special forces that did the incredible it was a flawless attack. And we just gave Conan a medal and a plaque. And it's really, and I actually think Conan knew exactly what was going on. But a dog that is very, very special. And Conan was very badly hurt, as you know, and they thought maybe was not going to recover. Recovered actually very quickly and has since gone on very important raids. This is the ultimate fighter, ultimate everything.